Consider this chemistry question. The pH of four solutions W, X, Y, Z are 4, 6, 8, 10 respectively. Therefore, dash. So we want to choose the correct answer among these options. So we are going to consider the options one by one and see the one that is correct. First of all, so the pH of each of these solutions W, X, Y, Z is given above. That's 4, 6, 8, 10 respectively. So that means the pH of W is equal to 4 and the pH of X is equal to 6. And also the pH of Y is equal to 8 and the pH of Z is equal to 10. Now, from basic understanding of acidity and alkalinity of substances, so acidity and alkalinity of solutions, which lead to pH scale. We know that the pH scale runs from 0 to 14. That is, from value 0, I draw this starting from 0 and it ends at 14. And the midpoint is 7. So all the values of the pH from 0 to 7 is acidity. So this is acidic. 7 is neutral. So anytime pH is 7, that means it is neutral. So and this is the pH of water. Water is always neutral. So unless if it is containing impurities. But if water is in its pure distilled form, then the water will be neutral, the pH. So any pH greater than 7 up to 14, that is basic or alkaline. So now, if you consider this one by one. Now, again, the lesser the pH of a particular substance or solution, the more acidic it becomes. So that is, the closer the pH is to 0, the more acidic it becomes. So that means if you consider all this pH now, the one with the smallest pH is the most acidic. So W has the smallest pH. This is the most acidic. So the one with the highest pH is the most basic. So that is, the closer you are to 14, the more basic you become. So that means this one with 10 is the most basic. So at least keep this information for now. So let us consider option A, whether it's correct. A says none of this solution is acidic. This is wrong, because if you check, the pH of W is 4. This is acidic. In fact, the most acidic. If you check the pH of X, that is 6. So it is close to 7. So it is close to neutral, but not neutral. It is still acidic. 6 is acidic. So this is also acidic. So that's why A is wrong. But Y is basic. Also Z is also basic. Let's go to option B. The pH of Y is made more acidic by addition of distilled water. So first of all, let's look at the pH of Y. The pH of Y is 8. So this shows alkalinity. It shows that Y is a basic solution or alkaline solution because it's greater than 7. So with that, in that regard, so this is not even acidic in the first place. Now, if you now add water to the solution, you further dilute the solution. So addition of water is dilution. You just make the water less concentrated. It doesn't mean by adding water it will now become acidic. No. So it will only make the acidity, the alkalinity lesser. So close to neutral, but it is still basic. So option B is also wrong. Let's consider option C. Z is the most acidic solution. Let's consider Z. Z is 10, which is not even in any way acidic. That's even the most basic there. So C is also wrong. Let's consider option D. W is the most acidic solution. Check W. This is pH of 4, which is the smallest pH. So that is, it is the most acidic. So option D is the correct answer. But let's see option E. That will be wrong. X is neutral. Check S. S is pH of 6. So, and pH of 6 does not indicate neutrality. So pH of 7 is what indicate neutral. So but 6 is close to 7. So it's close to neutral, but that doesn't mean it is neutral. It is still acidic. So the correct answer to this question is option D. Thank you.